In today's video, we're at Forest Holidays Delamere and we've booked a 2-bedroom Golden Oak log cabin and we're going to show you around. This is our cabin, number 48. So when you first come in, you're in this little hallway and you've got loads of storage here. Hang your coats up here, dog leads down there, plenty of storage for dirty mucky shoes and boots. Fantastic. So this is the main living area. You've got a corner sofa, chair, table. There's plenty of power sockets everywhere, and I love that every power socket has got a USB. Brilliant. There's a TV there, looks to be like a 38-inch TV. A log burner there. These great big windows which are fantastic. They look out onto your patio area, right in the middle of the forest. It's beautiful. I love that it's really open plan. Lounge feeds into the kitchen area and the dining. Lovely dining table, and then a fantastic kitchen. You've got everything here. You've even got a wine chiller, which is amazing. Plenty of drawers, full cooker and hob, sink, everything that you need. There's a Nespresso machine here as well. It takes the Vertuo capsules, so bring those with you. Microwave oven there and a toaster, and they'll also give you dishwasher tablets, some washing up liquid, sponges, cloths, and some bin liners there, so you don't need to bring that. That's pretty good. So there is plenty of glasses here. There's wine glasses, tumblers, loads of them in there. There's mugs, teapot, more glasses, wine glasses up there, and more tumblers. So plenty of glasses. There's plates and dinner set for 8. There's also room in the dishwasher. Plenty of room in there for 8 settings. Let's go and have a look at the bedrooms. So from the lounge area, come towards the bedrooms, and there's the bathroom here. It's a good sized bathroom. There's a bedroom here with twin beds in, plenty of room, and the sockets again with the USB, really good. That's a really good addition. And then there's a wardrobe area there, towels, so you don't need to bring towels. But no, it's a really nice high ceiling. It's a really nice room. And then this is the main bedroom, the master bedroom. Again, fantastic size, USB sockets, great views out there, the forest. Really amazing. And again, high ceilings, I love that. And I love this big window here. Floor to ceiling, out to the forest. You've got a wardrobe area there, more towels. And then there's an ensuite here, which is really nice. Again, it's a good size. It's got a shaver socket there. Great size shower there. All really nice, spotlessly clean. They supply you with hair shampoo, shower gel, and there's some soap there. This touchscreen panel is really good. It controls all the heating in the lodge. The outside terrace area is a fantastic size. It's massive. You've got a table and 4 chairs there. There's a gas barbecue, which is fantastic, but great space here. And then this is amazing. Each of these lodges come with a hot tub. So I'm really looking forward to using the hot tub in the evening and enjoying this lovely outdoor space. Stay tuned as we tour the rest of the park and I review my stay. We've had a great stay here at Forest Holidays Delamere Forest. It's a beautiful, relaxing place to be, and I love the location, very nearby to lots of trails for walking, running and cycling. Also on site there's the Forest Retreat. It's the heart of the park and includes a great shop, restaurant and bar. You can buy supplies for the log burner here and any other things you might need. Alternatively, there is a nearby Morrison's supermarket. You can also meet the Forest Ranger here to hire bikes and ask about the surrounding area. There's also a Peter Rabbit trail for the kids as well as a play park. If you have an electric car, there's 2 EV chargers on site. They're both 7 kilowatt each, and best of all, they're free to use, which is a real bonus. If you venture slightly further into the forest, you'll find many trails and a Go Ape treetop adventure centre. The cabin has been really spacious, which I've really enjoyed, and I love the way that it's decorated in nice neutral colours. The outside space here is really stunning. It's so nice to sit here and just enjoy all the birds chirping. It's a beautiful place. I loved using the gas barbecue. The gas comes as part of your stay, so you don't need to worry about that. Yeah, we hardly used the kitchen. We were just barbecuing all the time. Really, really great. Having the hot tub was also a really, really nice feature. It's really well maintained. Every day someone comes to check the chemicals and just clean it. So that it's been lovely having that every evening we've been in there. It's a good quality hot tub. I've got my own hot tub at home, and so I could tell that it was a good quality one. Gives a really good massage as well, and there's 4 different seats, so you get 4 slightly different massage each time. Really good. We added the in-cabin entertainment package for £60, and that gave you premium movies, Chromecast and high-speed Wi-Fi. The high-speed Wi-Fi was a bit of a disappointment. It was only 4 meg, and I don't really think that 4 meg could be classed as a premium Wi-Fi, so they need to up that really. The kitchen didn't really get used too much because we were cooking on the barbecue all the time, but it's a great kitchen. It's a good quality unit. It's a good quality kitchen. Having the Nespresso is a great addition. The only thing is I think it would have been a really nice touch if Forest Holidays had supplied a couple of taster pods. You can buy them, you can order them on the TV, but it would have just been an extra nice touch to have a couple of pods supplied. The beds were really comfortable with brilliant pillows, and it was nice having the supplied bathrobes and the slippers, which were great to use for the hot tub. So overall it was a superb stay. We really enjoyed ourselves. It was a really relaxing week. The cabin is beautiful and the park is stunning. Really nice to stay here for a few days or for a week like we did. So we're all ready for our cruise next week on the Viking Venus, so I hope you'll stay with us. I'd definitely like to come back to this park, maybe in the autumn or winter, and I might try one of their White Willow premium cabins. They're supposed to be extra special and they are unique to this park. I'd also like to try one of the tree houses at one time. They look really funky. So yeah, great park, definitely be back. Love the area. Yeah, I'm ready for the cruise next week on the Viking Venus. If you like this video and find it interesting, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. It would really help me out to get the channel going. I've got so much content coming for the rest of this year. I'm going to be giving you ship tours, room tours, food reviews, so much content. So please, I hope you stick with me. Okay, until next time, I'll see you up on deck.